Earthquake. I feel it. Oh my God.
Right now, Northern California still under a state of emergency as a powerful magnitude 7 earthquake rattled the region Thursday. This prompted a tsunami warning. It was scary for so many people along the West Coast. That tsunami warning was eventually lifted. At least 5 million people could have felt the shaking and were then told to seek higher ground. You see the epicenter there was just offshore, about 50 miles southwest of Eureka. Well, Jason Allen is there and joins us now. Jason, how do things look post-quake?
Good morning, Errol. So it looks like most of the damage from this quake was inside rather than outside. And of course, that's the good news whenever you have a quake of this magnitude and this significant. All of the initial surveys here in Humboldt County and up and down the coast didn't show any signs of structural damage, any infrastructure damage. Rather, what we saw, and as we've seen in some of those videos that have come out from those moments after the quake, this was things falling off of shelves. This was lamps, maybe shelves falling over inside homes and businesses, maybe some glass breaking in some places. But those are all things, Errol, that are easily cleaned up, and it's really what you would prefer to the alternative that could have happened with an earthquake this large.
Thankfully, it was offshore. It is an active area. Folks in that part of the country are used to the ground moving, but I'm wondering if you can talk about what people told you about the mood when this was happening and there was a tsunami warning, because that is rare.
It is, and this is something that people here went through just 2 years ago. There was another significant quake in December, so that is still somewhat fresh in their minds. And even once the initial shaking was done, which is always, you know, it jolts the nerves when you have something like this because there is no warning. It comes out of nowhere. Even once the shaking is done, there was that tsunami warning. We talked to somebody last night who said there was no damage, but she said she immediately got in the car, booked it out of there because she was down in a low-lying area near the Eel River and wanted to get out of there. Now, there was a very, very small tsunami that was measured, so this was a real legitimate warning. It just came in at a few inches, but that is something that's of concern, of course, with an earthquake this big.
All right, we appreciate you giving us the latest early this morning out of Eureka. Jason, thanks.